Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an account and use Yeetalk. First, install the Yeetalk from the Play Store and open the app. You will see the login screen, so tap on Google and choose your Google account. After that, select your birthday and gender. Then upload the profile picture and add your name. Once you are done, tap Next. Now choose your country and language, then tap Submit. After that, select your hobbies and tap Done. Then the app will ask for location access, so allow it, and your account is ready to use. Now you can join different rooms, meet new people and enjoy using the app. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.